Hey guys, welcome to the second part. Let's start by moving the fingers a little apart, so it does not join together when we remesh them later on. Also scale the tip of the legs to be a little wide. Apply the subdivision modifier at level 3 so we can have more geometry, and also apply the mirror modifier. Go to sculpt mode and remesh the object with 0.01 voxel size. Now move around and smooth the object by pressing shift and clicking on the object. I'm not a good sculptor, but I'm showing you my process so we can learn together. Press G for grab brush and adjust some shapes. Select the body and apply the subdivision modifier with level 3. Go to sculpt mode and remesh it with a voxel size of 0.01. Now let's smooth it a bit. Continue to adjust the legs too. Use the inflate tool to make the legs thicker. Time to join the body with the rest, so select the lower parts, then the body and press Ctrl J to join. And remesh with voxel size of 0.01. Continue smoothing to blend the arms and legs with the body. Again, let's use the inflate tool and press Ctrl while sculpting, to give it inverted effect to make the eye socket. Let's make the nostrils. Press Shift C to switch to crease brush. Let's make the mouth using the crease brush. Now for the teeth, I added a cube and give it a subdivision modifier. Adjust the shape and move it into place. After you think you are done with sculpting, add a simple rig to pose the Raptor. Press Shift-A to add in a single armature and move it to the base of the Raptor. Extrude the tip of the bone for the neck and the head. Duplicate and extrude backwards for the tail. Again, duplicate the bone. Rotate and move it to place it at the leg. Extrude again for the lower leg and foot. Don't forget to adjust it from the front view. Use the previous procedures for the arms too. Time to mirror the arms and legs on the other side. For that, set the cursor at the center and set the pivot point at the cursor by pressing the period key and set it to 3D cursor. Select all the bones that we want to mirror and duplicate and mirror it in the X. Now let's parent the object to the bones by selecting the body first, then the armature and pressing Ctrl P, and with automatic weights. Select the eyes and teeth and parent it to the head bone. Now let's pose the raptor to match it with the reference image. Now what's left to do is to texture the raptor. Since I'm using a mouse, it's not gonna be easy. But here's a time lapse of me struggling to Vertex paint with a mouse. Enjoy. You can spend some time and also use a graphics tablet to make this art look better. So thank you guys for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys on the next video.